Just parked under the cherry tree. No big deal. Do you want to eat some of those for my movie?
Well, advantage.
Well, you didn't bring your lunch today, so.
Thrown off. I got cherries.
Guy just brought cigarettes for lunch. I got terrible dusty.
Oh, there's no fines.
Oh, you gotta check. Yeah, there's zero fines, that stuff. So you gotta check this out. I'll show you. This is some custom work. They got like a guy coming down here and it goes somewhere into there, but then it just chooches out right here. All right, it just comes out right there. But like that's low. There's like a high. It's like this. So the water comes out there and then just pools all along here. I was gonna fix it for her, but she said the buddy's coming back and he's gonna fix it right this time. But we'll see about that. Because I'll show you what he did back here. This is hilarious. Just hilarious. Well, not really, because like he charged her for it, but so this is what we're doing. We're just going to take this one and frig it off over there so as that you know, it's not on top of the ground like this, and then it's just dumping it here anyway. But this one here, like the high is about right here. So it goes up and then down right here. You see that? See how the high is way over here? Well, look at, there's where you put the pop-up. There's the east drop. There's the pop-up. So what's that? 6 feet. And it's just full of water. Full of water. There's no way for it to drain out of there. So that's decked. That's completely decked. So, but she doesn't want to do anything about that. And Buddy's gonna come and fix the front. So all we're gonna do is just plunge this in the ground here quick. Rip this out, sod cutter a strip, dig our trench, put in our pipe, cover pipe, put sod back on, call her cigarette. Look at this place though. It's like a community pond. Oh, there's vultures over there. Oh, look at the vultures, got his wings out and stuff. I don't even know if you can sant that. That's fucking decked. Yeah, the vulture's walking around with his wings out. Just choked. I want to get the drone out and get some shots, but I don't want to crash into a vulture, you know what I mean? Maybe he'll get mad at the drone and fly after it and stuff. It'll be awesome. So it's just this guy here. But you can see.
They've gone like 5 more feet.
Well, the other one is only 5 feet. The downspout on the other side, they have like a pop-up. Like they'd be like putting a pop-up like right here. Right? But see, she's got these sprinkler heads, so like I don't know where, I don't know, you know, why you'd put them this close to the edge or anything. But we got to try to not.
Usually is it like a grid pattern?
Oh, usually, but you can't even see even one of them, right? So, how do you know where even any of them are? Holy.
One. Oh, God.
Oh, great.
It'll pop right out.
Okay. So whatever you do, do a good job.
Right?
We always do.
Okay, thank you. It's a beautiful day.
It is.
So much heritage and commemorative aspects to this shot right here. Nice. you ever doing any diesel conversion specialist type work, check out Diesel Conversion Specialists. Just saying. Hey, well, sorry about that. My apologies. So maybe what happened was she told him she didn't want to come out too far because of the sprinklers, and they were like, okay, no problem, we'll put it right there. Fucking backflow into your basement. Oh, Fallon, come here, I gotta help me push.
You gotta help me push.
Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh.
Look, I ate a lot last night.
Oh. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that.
We grab the rocks when we're done here. This shouldn't take long.
Okay.
Are you spastic camming?
Well, story time now, so.
Oh. Just careful chopping into lines, sprinkler lines. Careful, careful. Oh, sorry about that.
No.
I got the trailer battery charging with the sunroom. Bougie or whatever. Fucking what's it plugged into the charger? Scores?
My son wants to know what's going on, so I'm taking a picture.
Okay.
You don't have to pose.
Ah, here are the ducks. What is all the racket? I should go run over there, special cam, and pet them great big ducks. Look at the size of those fuckers. They look like they want pets big time. Good grief. Look at them all. Holy. Freaking blue jay just comes out of nowhere. Oh, we're almost there, boys. Just a little tune up on the hole there. We'll fucking put this pipe in the ground, fill her in, put the guy in there, we go. Sorry about that. I got the hole blow installed. Natty natty. Oh, natty natty. Frig yeah, boys. Look at us go.
Okay. Whoa. Daffy Duck, or Donald Duck.
Ronald McDougal.
Yeah.
Pull it that way just a touch.
A little bit. That's good. Yeah.
Missed the flyby, boys.
Man.
Just majesticer as frig. Oh,
I've seen the geese that close since my cousin got absolutely demolished by a flock of them.
Oh, look at us go, boys. What are we doing here? We only got like fucking 15 more minutes worth of work. It's only 11 o'clock. 2 hours. Holy
hours.
shit.
And we still have like 6 hours to go pick up rocks.
Yeah, we gotta go pick up rocks. That's it. 2-job day, they call
And
it.
you Letter Kenny fans out there, you know, Sundays for picking stones.
Picking stones.
Yeah, Sundays for picking stones.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
There's more.
Oh, nice. Well, there's just a solo of geese.
Yeah.
There's
coming in for a landing.
Nice. Fly over.
Holy, they're turning. That'd be neat. Having fucking flocks of different type of the gulls freaking swarming all the time.
Yeah, there were these big blackbirds sitting over there. I don't know what they are.
They are choked though, you can tell.
Yeah.
Holy. Oh, that's crazy. Where are they all coming? Where are they all coming, you guys? Charging the Blue Eddy with the sun there. Then we got the solar, or the eco-worthy battery charger hooked up to the trailer battery. She's fully charged now with the sun. Decent. Put the side back onto her and call her a day. Well, not call her a day, now we gotta go pick up rocks. Yeah. Call her half a day. Probably be good time for lunch.
Oh, it's more like 3/4 day.
Really need to find my knife though. I don't know what I've done.
I don't know. In the bucket?
Did I do that? Yep. Just a fucking imbecile. Just a recipient, if you will.
Right. Look at that. Yeah, this sod rolled nicely. Some of the other jobs. That's for sure.
Do you even realize that we just dug a fucking trench in the ground and put fucking perfect amount of drainage right here? Perfect amount of drainage, that's how I can tell. So. Oh, does this look familiar? I knew we were just here putting these guys in. Look at that. Sweet. A little bit low right here, a little low spot, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Hard to tell we were here. But now we got to get rid of all these rocks. They just wanted all the rocks gone from over there before. So now they want the rest gone. Okay, no problem. We do. Are the rocks ready? Found a fossilized dinosaur turd. Look at this thing. That's where it cracked off. Or maybe that was the end of it and it tapered off so it didn't slam shut and stuff. Right. Good rock right there. Oh, hey you guys, we're back. We're back for another exciting episode of Shovel Schmidt Pug 1. But check this out. Oh my goodness, like, are you looking at what I'm showing you right here? Okay, so if I was Nelson and I seen plug 1 coming, I'd be like, whoop! Oh dear, that's just awful. That's all. Why do I find this type of stuff? You know what I mean? I don't.
Finds you, apparently.
Yeah, I don't have the appliance to be finding this type of stuff. But look at us go, boys. I just wanted to show you the before and the after. Oh, wow! I gotta go. Oh, here. Let me borrow you my fossilized penis for that application there, bud. Wow. Yeah, that's just rotten. Holy suffering. We were gonna try to collect up these rocks and stuff, but they're all full of roofing nails and friggin' all type of debris. So it's not gonna work out. So we're just gonna take this and dump it, and then we'll come back and we'll grab our shit. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we can probably just throw our stuff on here, unload it, dump it, load it back up. That's way better. That's way better of an idea than freaking leaving our stuff here and doing a backtrack. Look at this nice ambiance too. We got some sort of a bone. Got some sort of a rag of the.
Filters.
Yeah, oh, is that what it is? Coffee filters.
Coffee grounds on the driveway there.
Some sort of a piece of a pen, wrappers, condoms, chewed up shit. Oh, there we go. Coffee filters over here. We got jizz rags here. Nice. Very. I'm enjoying the ambiance, if you will. It's got a nice ambiance to it. But in other words, we'll just finish this last load up here, and then we'll take off. I gotta go and see if my truck's safety jet. Let's check my messages. See if anybody's called me. No. Oh. Nobody's called me yet, boys. Not good.